In this video, I will use GeoGebra to show you how to construct a Voronoi diagram for 3 points. So first of all, I will get 3 points. Then go to this perpendicular bisector. Click A, B. So they give you a line which is perpendicular to and bisect the segment AB. Then you click perpendicular bisector again. Click this CB. So you get another line which is perpendicular to and bisect the segment CB. Click this again, then click AC. You get the line H, which is perpendicular to and bisect the segment AC. Then my next step, I will use the snipping tool, copy this diagram to the paint. Then I will erase this one. Then you could say this will be the Voronoi diagram for these 3 points, A, B, C. First of all, let's talk about the terminologies for Voronoi diagram. For this ABC, we call they are sides of a Voronoi diagram. For the polygon, including this B, that's from here to here, this polygon. We call this polygon as cells. And the line like this is edges or boundaries. For each cell, there are some vertices. For this cell, including the side B, has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will use this GeoGebra program written by DS to show you how to add the 4th point into this Voronoi diagram. Click Add 4th point. So we got D here. You can move the D anywhere you want. Let's use this D on this cell, including the side B. Because D and B on the same cell, so we got to do the perpendicular bisector first between D and B. So click here, perpendicular bisector. Click D and then click B. We got this line, which is perpendicular to and bisect the segment DB. Since the perpendicular bisector line between DB intersect this edge, then you need to check this edge is between which 2 sides. This edge is between A and B. Therefore, the next step, you need to draw the perpendicular bisector line between D and A. So I click D and A. After you draw this perpendicular bisector line, you need to check is this line crossing the border. If crossing the border, that means you can form a polygon called the cell for this D. Then you stop. Then the next step, you need to erase any edges in this cell, including D. The last step, you need to draw the edges or boundaries between the sides. Then we finish this Voronoi diagram for this 4-point A, B, C, D. Let me show you another example. This time I put the D in the same cell, including this C. So first of all, we need to draw the perpendicular bisector between C and D. DC here. Then you need to check this perpendicular bisector intersect which edge. Intersect here. Then you need to check this edge is between which two sides. This edge is between B and C. After you did a C, then this is the time for you to do B and D. First of all, we did the DC, then we do the DB. The reason why, because the perpendicular bisector between C and D intersect the edge between C and B. So we will do perpendicular bisector between D and B this time. Then you could say this perpendicular bisector intersect edge again. So we will click here, point. For this edge is between side A and B. Since you already did a B, then this is the time for you to draw the perpendicular bisector between D and A. Then you could say this perpendicular bisector cross the border and form this cell, which is a polygon. Then you stop. First of all, you will cross out any edges in this polygon. Then next step, you will draw the edges for this side D. So you form the new Voronoi diagram for this point A, B, C, D.